Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm going to be making Castagnelle Pugliese. So it's a cookie that we make around the holidays. And I will start with the egg. Put the sugar. Beat it with a little bit of coffee. This is Espresso Coffee.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a
I'm gonna add the flour, a little bit at a time. And the rest. And I like more coffee. Okay, you don't need to do this in the mixer. You do this all by hand. This is unsweetened cocoa. Okay, and I'm gonna add more coffee. These are roasted and ground almonds, not really finely chopped. You know, they're a little coarse. See? Okay, so we like that. I'm gonna grate some lemon. I'm gonna add some brandy. Okay. So here I have almond extract. So we'll add maybe a tablespoon. Baking powder, cinnamon, and this is cloves. It's ground cloves.
jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a
I'll put some flour on the counter. And I'm just gonna work it a little bit with my hands. And I'm gonna add, this is vanilla. You don't have to put this, but if you have one, you can put it, or just use a little bit of the liquid.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
And just get a piece like this. And you add some flour on the counter. So now we cut them. So you cut them diagonal like this. See, they look like that. You can dip it in the flour, so which is easy. And this recipe makes quite a few. They look like. I'm gonna put them in the oven now, and the oven is ready. Okay, I'm gonna put the other one after, and I will show you once they come out of the oven. See you soon. Okay, the castagnelle are all cooled off and out of the oven, so I'm gonna start making the icing now. And I have a whole lemon. Okay, I'm just gonna take the juice. And this is icing sugar. Add a little bit at a time. So usually, you know, they do this castagnelle, they dip them one by one in the icing sugar here. So I'm just gonna do a few at a time.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse.
So what do? You just get them like that, and they're gonna dry. Once they dry, they look all beautiful, nice and white, and that lemony flavor of of the icing. All done with castagnelle. They're still a little wet, but I can't wait. I had a few already, so I'm gonna show you what they look like from the inside. Yum, deliziosi. I hope you make them because they're delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.